Go there. Here you go, sir. Hi guys, meron akong nabiling cabinet dito sa Korean surplus. Igo kayo. It's only 6,000 from Korea. Igo rate. Na, amo nang gikuha ang kurana ng te. That's mine, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy,
Jump
good
on
morning. Good morning, Daddy.
Hey, Dad.
Look, Daddy. Look, Daddy. Good morning. Look there. Look, so stand up. Up, Daddy. Look, Daddy.
Mommy, are you gonna put
Sorry,
the
Daddy. I
clothes?
had to spend money on that day. Sorry, Daddy. We needed.
Oh yeah.
I needed for my underwears there.
Yeah.
Mommy, can I
Couplings
have
too.
one too? Can I have
Slowly
one
lang.
space?
Next time na po.
Couplings too.
Yes.
Dad,
But
Hey.
mostly
make a
that's for
space,
me.
Mommy, for mine.
Okay, look at it's overrun. We don't have enough space. Look.
Anak sa lang? Anak sa lang na? De. Because they had a new kuanda, di ba? So I bought it there. Korean surplus.
That's from the Korean surplus. Isn't
Yes.
This is gonna be mine now.
Now I have. Oy, next time na inyuhan na po. That's for me for now.
No.
Sige na. De, it's 6,500 eh. But it's worth it. They feel it there.
Yeah.
It's not the one that easy to break ba? Right? It's so heavy, no?
They made it look like it was not heavy.
It's koan, what do you call that? It's hardwood.
Oh, it's original stuff.
Yes.
Okay, Korean nut. Nice kayo.
Dad, put your hand.
You like it? Hello! Look out!
Where'd you get that from?
I didn't even know it's...
It's cotton.
I have to do this.
Look!
What happened?
Look! My plant.
La, the plants.
My plant.
Gikan sa.
Come here, come.
Where'd it come from?
Luzon.
Luzon? Look how shaded it is.
Come here.
Yes. What time is it, guys? Good morning. Sorry, I'm on night shift duty.
I received it from Christian.
Huh?
I received it from Christian.
Christian.
The one who told me this.
Okay. Shout out Christian, but go on. Where did it come from? Luzon?
Oh.
So she got these plants from Manila, Luzon, Quezon, wherever. So yeah, guys, they've been busy kayo here. So while they open this up, check this out. Got the burn pit over there burning some home stuff. They've been busy here. You guys haven't seen. Got the new gate / fence. And she's just been working on her gomamela. This one's a little bit withered. It's been super hot. And that's really helping, or else it'd be hot here. Look at the difference in shaded. And then we got our other storage room, kind of, right for now. It's got her. It's just plants everywhere. She's turned into fully grandma mode for plants. Here's all the saplings. She's got hundreds of saplings. Lots and lots of saplings. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Boy, open it. Oh, that's the one then? Oh. What's the name, mommy?
It's a bougainvillea.
Oh, that's bougainvillea. I should have known. Why bother asking? Bougainvillea is all she's been talking about. She really likes bougainvillea.
Yeah, they have to.
What was that?
And there's a viral kuan ba? TV.
Good thing you got it in the morning because these just arrived yesterday, but we came back too late from Tagbilaran.
The other day pa ni.
Well, it was arrived, so we really need to go on it. Make sure they don't die. So what
I know what to do with this.
are these all bogans?
Yes.
These are all bougainvilleas?
Different kind of variety.
Oh, yep.
We have the
If mommy orders a flower, I already know what's gonna be. It's gonna be bougainvillea. But she's not gonna order anymore right now because we're gonna tile. We're gonna get ready to do the finally tiling and the door hinges we have there already. We already bought the door hinges, so we gotta get that because we don't want the dogs running in and out. We want to be able to have a locked area. Blocked off area. Look at this. This is what she's been doing. We got our awesome tank. Got the water pressure going. Even got an extra little nozzle there. Sorry guys, we haven't been vlogging. Walang vlog. Here, I'll just start from over here. So we put a whole bunch of dirt here. If you guys remember seeing them working here, using a shovel, putting it into a bucket, and then moving it from a big pile all the way over here. So there was this big old dog cage we had. They used the welder and broke it down. We got the clothes sitting in the sun. They made this with the extra wood we had. Perfect for the plants to sit on. Cute what mommy did. She put the rocks in them. And that's coconut. If you guys wondering what that stuff is, it's coconut stuff. Like ground coconut. It smells kind of bad. I was wondering what that smell was. I was like, dang, why you guys keep farting? And it's just this. Coconut shavings? What's that?
cocoa pit.
Cocoa pit. But is it coconut? What's a cocoa pit, guys? Comment down below what cocoa pit is.
Sawdust.
Oh, is it just sawdust? There's no way sawdust would smell that bad. There's no way. It's manure. Something.
Kanang gi-put na mo sa water para to clean it.
Hmm?
Put it in the water to clean it.
Put it in the water to clean it.
Yes.
When you clean something, it should smell.
Daddy, come on, Daddy.
Fun.
Unsa man ka, Daddy? You're already almost 40, di ha?
Alright, guys, I'm gonna wake up.
You're almost 50 years old, di. Di bitaw di
Whoa,
joking.
50? Whoa.
Joke aside.
Whoa.
You know how it is there? They have like a
Oh.
juice, di ba?
Okay.
Their juice, di ba? What you call that? When you put water in it, they have this like brown thingy, the color, and it gets rid, the water get rid of it. Tuan, you don't put it under the sun for at least 2 weeks. You just put it in the shade, and then don't water it every day. Just water it when needed.
When needed.
Yes, when needed.
Sige.
Okay, okay guys.
Sige. Look at this. She's even more saplings. These are the ones she grafted, basically cut a little piece off.
Propagation then.
Propagation, where they have roots. It's growing roots here. So just got all of them growing, and all of them with the like a humidifier, natural humidifier with the plastic, and there's its own like a tiny bit of water from what, a week or two ago. And then her own, she's been collecting plastic bottles just for this moment. And then we have the hollow block fence, you know, like a cute little thing here. If you guys saw that, the hollow blocks on the bottom. Nice. Nice coyote, guys. Yeah, sorry, let me show you guys this side too. We got one extra one here because she bought one that was too small. And then no roof, of course. Salamat Typhoon Odette. And then here, look at this. This is the one she bought. It's too small. We're gonna transfer that later, but here at least they can work here in the shade if they need to do cement and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna have to dump another load of dirt here. This is what it looks like. We're gonna be parking the van here soon. So probably two, one, maybe one. We'll see. Nah, I think two. Yeah, because we need to level it all the way out, and then it's gonna go down a little bit. So it gets up to this. And look, needs to be leveled out here in the back as well. So we'll have the truck hopefully be able to dump it back here. Yeah. And then we'll be able to park here. And I was gonna make a kitchen here, but no. I don't know. Might have to change it. We gotta get dirt in here too. That's gonna be a hard thing, actually. Because we're gonna have to do the roofing on this, and then they're gonna have to do all the. I'll see you guys in a second.